Hey guys, since I saw that some of you are already missing me, I just wanted to give you a short little update and tell you that I have not abandoned my YouTube. I have a lot of new stuff planned for you and the next video is already in the works. But due to some unforeseen events here, I am a little behind schedule and I am saying sorry for this. I will be back soon with new material, so hang in there while I'm working on new content for you. In the meantime, feel free to check out my Facebook and Instagram for more up-to-date content. You can find the links in the description box. See you all again soon. Bye!